Today we're highlighting this 2016 Volvo VNM42. This single axle truck only has just over 204,000 miles on it. Volvo engine, D11, 405 horsepower, 12-speed I-shift transmission. Got a 307 rear axle ratio in it. 12,000 fronts, 23 rears. Short wheelbase, only 167 inches. Truck's in great shape. Very clean on the inside. We've got this truck available today at our London, Ohio location. Sale price is $34,900. Please give me a call if you got any questions. My name is Bryce with McMahon Truck Centers. Cell phone number 740-403-9959.